Where are the foundations of this convulsing ocean of concrete and glass? Where do they tread? Do they cower under the shadows or dance vibrantly among colors? What color? The pastel kisses of sleek and geometrical lime? What does this show? What dreams and whispers can be heard looming over? What hopes can be heard? The shadows of the past fill the walls and are painted over with visions of tomorrow. In this urban meld, where do the shadows of history lay? Are they hidden behind the curves of neon-lit facade, decorations of palm and clay? How do we reconcile the old and the new? The vibrant pulse of life with the silent reverence of legacy. In this labyrinth of streets, where cultures intertwine, what is essential? Does it withstand the tick of time? What tales have been etched and stroked onto the walls of Little Havana? Do the murals of Wynwood speak in a universal tongue, or will they soon be known to none? A misshapen skyline reaches for the heavens, but at what cost? Do they cast darkness on the dreams of those below, or do they inspire us to rise, to build, to aspire? Is the beauty of glass and steel a promise or a paradox? Does the heightening growth create possibilities, or does it leave a husk in its place? Among the ever-constant bang of hammers and drills, what is left unspoken? Is there space for nature and color, for the frail balance of land and sea? Where has the dance gone, the rhythm of tides? Has the mosaic of opulence drowned out the primal songs of the earth? What is it that we chase in the city of mirrors? A promise of progress, or a nostalgic embrace?